Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2015 Chrysler Town Country Touring with 99,000 miles. It's a really nice minivan, one owner from here in North Carolina. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So you can see this van has a nice exterior black finish. Just minor blemishes here and there, a little scuff on the corner you can see there on the front bumper. No major dents, just minor blemishes. A couple of scratches here and there, another scuff on the rear bumper. But no accident history. It's got a clean Carfax. No rust whatsoever. Just a really nice minivan from around the Raleigh area. Here's a view of the inside. Hopefully, despite the bad lighting, you can tell it's really clean on the interior. The leather's in excellent shape. Headliner's in good shape. It's got heated seats, heated steering wheel here in the front, navigation, dual climate control. Really lots of options. Power driver seat, cruise control. Carpets are really very, very clean. No smoky smell or pet odor whatsoever. It's got the power sliding doors on both sides and the stow and go seating. So these compartments open up and these second row captain's chairs will fold down completely into the floor, giving you a nice big cargo area. It's also got rear entertainment, rear climate control, and of course the third row seat, which will also fold flat down into the floor. Also got the power lift gate. You can see the cargo space is just exceptionally clean, no stains or tears in the carpet. Here's another view of the front. It's got a nice set of wheels and tires on this van. Full set of Firestone tires with about 50% of the tread on the front, and the ones in the back are just about brand new. And then of course you got the 17-inch alloy wheels, which are factory and are really in great shape, no corrosion or rust. A quick view under the hood. You can see it's got the 3.6 liter V6 engine. Runs nice and smooth, no rust under the hood whatsoever. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2015 Chrysler Town Country Touring with 99,000 miles. You can check out more information on our website, byronthomasauto.com, including pictures and a link to this video on our YouTube channel. And then of course you can find us on Facebook and Instagram, where we update our inventory regularly. Hope you have a great day.